A healthy diet is the foundation of a vibrant life. It gives your body the nutrients it needs. These nutrients provide energy, support growth, and protect against disease. Eating a variety of healthy foods can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. Think of your body as a high-performance machine. To function at its best, it requires the right fuel. That fuel comes from the foods you eat. Just like a car needs clean gasoline, your body needs nutritious foods to operate efficiently. When you nourish your body with a balanced diet, you're investing in your long-term health and vitality. A healthy diet can help you maintain a healthy weight, improve your mood, and boost your energy levels. It can also reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases like heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. In the following sections, we'll delve into the essential components of a healthy diet and provide you with practical tips to make healthy eating a sustainable part of your life. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being. A balanced diet is like a puzzle, with each piece representing a different food group. These food groups work together to provide your body with a complete range of nutrients. The key is to consume a variety of foods from each group in the right proportions. The main food groups include fruits, vegetables, grains, protein foods, and dairy. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Grains provide energy in the form of carbohydrates. Protein foods are essential for building and repairing tissues. Dairy products provide calcium for strong bones. A balanced diet emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods over processed foods and sugary drinks. By understanding the basics, you can make informed choices and nourish your body from the inside out. Just like a car needs oil to run smoothly, your body needs essential nutrients to function properly. These nutrients act as building blocks for cells and protect against disease. Carbohydrates provide energy for daily activities. Choose complex carbohydrates over simple ones. Proteins build and repair tissues and maintain a healthy immune system. Include a variety of protein sources in your diet. Fats help absorb vitamins and provide energy. Choose healthy fats while limiting saturated and trans fats. Vitamins and minerals boost immunity and strengthen bones. Consume a variety of nutrient-rich foods for optimal health. Now that you understand the basics of a balanced diet and the importance of essential nutrients, let's put it all together with some practical examples of healthy meals. Breakfast. Start your day with a nourishing breakfast that provides energy and keeps you feeling full until lunchtime. Some healthy breakfast options include oatmeal with berries and nuts, whole wheat toast with avocado and eggs, or Greek yogurt with fruit and granola. For lunch, aim for a balance of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Some nutritious lunch ideas include a salad with grilled chicken or fish, lentil soup with whole grain bread, or leftovers from last night's healthy dinner. End your day with a satisfying and healthy dinner that provides a variety of nutrients. Some examples of healthy dinner options include baked salmon with roasted vegetables, chicken stir-fry with brown rice, or vegetarian chili with whole grain cornbread. These are just a few examples to get you started. Remember to adjust portion sizes based on your individual needs and preferences. Section 5. Planning for success. Creating a meal plan that works for you. Creating a meal plan can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be complicated. The key is to find a system that works for you and your lifestyle. Start by setting aside some time each week to plan your meals for the upcoming week. Begin by considering your schedule and any meals you need to prepare in advance. Then browse through cookbooks, websites, or your favorite healthy recipe sources for inspiration. Aim for a variety of meals that include all food groups. Once you have a list of recipes, create a shopping list based on the ingredients you need. This will help you stay organized and prevent impulse purchases at the grocery store. Consider prepping some ingredients in advance, such as chopping vegetables or cooking grains, to save time during the week. Remember to factor in snacks into your meal plan. Healthy snack options include fruits, vegetables, nuts, yogurt, or hard-boiled eggs. Having healthy snacks on hand can help prevent unhealthy cravings and keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Section 6. Overcoming obstacles. Tips for sticking to your healthy eating plan. Sticking to a healthy eating plan can be challenging, especially when life gets busy or temptations arise. But with these tips, you can overcome obstacles and stay on track. Be prepared. Plan your meals and snacks in advance to avoid making impulsive, unhealthy choices when you're hungry. Cook more often. Preparing meals at home allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes, leading to healthier choices. Make gradual changes. Instead of overhauling your diet overnight, start by making small, sustainable changes, like adding more fruits and vegetables to your meals. Find healthy substitutes. Look for healthier alternatives to your favorite unhealthy foods, such as baked sweet potato fries instead of French fries. And don't deprive yourself. Allow yourself occasional treats in moderation to prevent feelings of deprivation, which can lead to overeating. Section 7. The power of hydration, making water your go-to beverage. Water is essential for life, playing a crucial role in countless bodily functions. From regulating body temperature to transporting nutrients, water is involved in nearly every aspect of our health. Yet many people don't consume enough fluids throughout the day. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, constipation, and difficulty concentrating. Aim to drink water consistently throughout the day, even if you don't feel thirsty. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and refill it throughout the day. Choose water over sugary drinks like soda, juice, and sports drinks. These beverages are often high in calories, sugar, and artificial ingredients that can negatively impact your health. If you find plain water boring, try adding slices of fruit, cucumber, or herbs for a hint of flavor. You can also opt for unsweetened tea or sparkling water as healthier alternatives to sugary drinks. Section 8. Mindful eating. Listen to your body's cues. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to rush through meals without paying attention to our body's cues. Mindful eating encourages us to slow down, savor our food, and listen to our body's signals of hunger and fullness. When you eat mindfully, you become more aware of the taste, texture, and aroma of your food, enhancing the enjoyment of your meals. You also become more attuned to your body's signals of hunger and fullness, helping you avoid overeating. To practice mindful eating, eliminate distractions during mealtimes. Put away your phone, turn off the TV, and focus on the present moment. Chew your food slowly and thoroughly, savoring each bite. Pause between bites to check in with your body's hunger and fullness cues. Ask yourself if you're truly hungry or simply eating out of habit or boredom. By listening to your body's signals, you can develop a healthier relationship with food and make conscious choices that support your overall well-being. Section 9. Small changes, big results. Gradual steps towards a healthier lifestyle. Transitioning to a healthier lifestyle doesn't require drastic overnight changes. In fact, making gradual, sustainable changes is often more effective in the long run. Start by incorporating small, manageable changes into your daily routine. Instead of completely eliminating your favorite treats, try reducing your portion sizes or finding healthier alternatives. Swap sugary drinks for water or unsweetened tea. Add an extra serving of vegetables to your dinner plate. Instead of overwhelming yourself with a complicated workout regimen, start with a daily walk or find an activity you enjoy that fits into your schedule. Every small step you take towards a healthier lifestyle adds up over time, leading to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being. Remember that progress takes time and effort. There will be setbacks along the way, but the key is to stay consistent and focus on the positive changes you're making. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and don't be afraid to ask for support from friends, family, or a healthcare professional. Section 10. Enjoying the journey. Finding pleasure in healthy eating. Healthy eating should not feel like a chore or a deprivation. It's about nourishing your body with delicious, nutrient-rich foods that make you feel your best. Embrace the abundance of flavors, textures, and aromas that healthy foods offer. Explore new recipes, experiment with different cuisines, and discover new favorite healthy dishes. Visit your local farmer's market to find fresh, seasonal produce. Involve your family or friends in meal planning and cooking, making it a social and enjoyable experience. Focus on the positive aspects of healthy eating, such as increased energy levels, improved digestion, and a stronger immune system. Remember that food is not just fuel, but a source of pleasure and nourishment. By approaching healthy eating with a positive mindset and a sense of adventure, you can cultivate a sustainable and enjoyable lifestyle that supports your overall well-being. Reaping the rewards of a healthy diet. Adopting a healthy diet is an investment in your long-term health and well-being. The benefits extend far beyond weight management. By nourishing your body with nutrient-rich foods, you can reap a lifetime of rewards. A healthy diet reduces the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. It improves cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood sugar control. It also boosts mental and emotional well-being. Studies show a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains improves mood and cognitive function. Healthy eating fuels your body and nurtures your mind and spirit. You're setting yourself up for a longer, healthier, and more fulfilling